A bit of an active day today with the cold front moving through northeast Kansas. This is going to be really the most activity we'll see for the next several days, so enjoy it. We are watching some scattered showers and thunderstorms in front of the front and behind it as well. Most recently, some thunderstorms popping up near Clay Center, approaching the Marysville area as well and north of Concordia. Some of these thunderstorms are growing in strength, so we're going to keep a close eye on them, but generally the air mass sitting above us is on the more stable side, so things are going to kind of fluctuate. And we'll talk more about that here in just a second. Satellite and radar at the national level showing us this low pressure system spinning off to the north. Notice this counterclockwise motion right here. Very distinct feature of a low pressure. And then this strong trailing cold front, long trailing cold front bringing the thunderstorms to us here in northeast Kansas. Outside our Manhattan camera, we're seeing some light get through the mostly cloudy skies right now. A little bit of a puddle on the roof right there. Rain just moved through. And outside our Clay Center camera, I keep coming back to this one. This one's just a great image right here. A very isolated thunderstorm off to the left side of our screen right here. You can see the rain coming down. That's the downdraft. And then just off to the right, we see our sunlight making its way through the clouds. Those are crepuscular rays, kind of a fancy weather term, meaning that sunlight is making its way from the clouds to the ground. Otherwise, temperatures comfortably in the upper 70s, dew points in the middle 60s, winds out of the southwest about 13 miles an hour. More temperatures across the region. Notice the 70s up towards the lighter orange and yellow, and then some darker reds to the south side of the state. That's because the cold front hasn't quite moved through there yet. 91 in Wichita, 78 in Topeka. Emporia finally starting to cool down just a little bit, 88 degrees, and then 77 for Marysville and Hiawatha. So tonight should be pretty nice, but again, another round of thunderstorms is likely, especially as we head into the early evening. The average high for this time of year, 89 degrees. Today we saw 82. Waking up tomorrow morning, middle 60s looking pretty likely. And then by the afternoon, models are hinting at a cooler bubble of air, if you will, hanging out towards the north, lower 80s possible. I-70 corridor should be seeing those middle 80s, and then a little bit further south, some upper 80s. So we're going to be seeing a wide variety of temperatures tomorrow. Sunday, we start to even out just a little bit, lower to middle 80s, maybe some upper 80s a little bit further west, but those upper 80s are going to be quite common, about average for this time of year. All right, let's run through future track one more time. Some scattered showers and isolated thunderstorms, mostly what appears to be the west and south side of the I-70 corridor, right around 8 or 9 o'clock tonight. That second round really picking up near Emporia as well as Osage, that I-35 corridor right there. And then notice how isolated they are in nature. Really not everyone's going to be seeing that second round, but maybe near Marysville, Seneca, Holton could be seeing another isolated storm or two all the way through midnight. But then heading into early tomorrow morning, right around sunrise, the activity dies down and we're really just expecting mostly sunny skies for the second half of the day. Here's what you can expect the next few hours if you're looking to head outside. Cloud cover in the area, and then that brief window for another round of thunderstorms moving through the area starting in just a few hours and then waking up tomorrow morning in the lower to middle 60s. All right, our forecast for the week, 85 tomorrow. We're going to be seeing lots of sunshine in the area. Sunday, we're watching 86, and we're going to notice this slow warm-up as we head into the beginning of next week. And those 88s and 89s, very common. Our upper air pattern's not moving a whole lot, and it's just going to be quite average for quite some time.
All right, thanks, Ryan.